Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to set custom world properties on a Windrose server. Step 1 is accessing your server panel. All you have to do is head over to Server.pro and open up your Windrose server. Once you've located your Windrose server, make sure you stop the server. This is important before making any file changes. Then please wait for the server to fully shut down before continuing. Up next, all you have to do is click the Files tab, then open the R5 folder, and then once you're in there, locate and open the file named serverdescription.json.win. Inside that file, locate the line labeled World Island ID. Copy or make note of the ID listed there, as you'll need this ID to locate the correct world folder. Next, return to the main file directory, and then head into R5, saved, save profiles, default, and follow what I'm doing on the screen. Then when you're finally in this world's folder, find the folder matching the world island ID from earlier. All you have to do is open that folder. Inside that world folder, open the file worlddescription.json.win and locate the world settings section. From here, you can modify the available world parameters and gameplay settings. After editing the desired settings, all you have to do is click the save button and then return to the home tab. There you can start up your server. Once the server is fully booted up, your updated world properties will now be applied in-game. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.